5 things that excite a man of a woman. These are the feminine actions that provoke desire in men and increase passion in bed. The mistake of many women is to suppose or think that they know everything a man wants, and although sometimes they approach it, in others, they are more than far from reality. That's why it's important to know the 5 things that excite a man from a woman. Some often seem incredible, since you could never imagine that such a small detail raises men's most hidden desires. However, in tastes genres are broken, and sometimes it is evident that men are from Mars and women from Venus. 1. That a woman wears exercise clothes at the weekend. Although a woman is always looking for the best of dresses, men love to see how she looks on leggings, as they highlight her legs and glutes. And why not say her V-zone? This is a garment that insinuates very well the forms of your body, and thinking about what is behind that finite fabric, which is the skin, makes the erotic thoughts of every man shoot to the roof. 2. Seeing a woman dressed in office clothes at home. It is part of the fantasy of many men, with which a woman cannot fight. For a long time the movies have made this outfit the protagonist of the spiciest adventures, so in his mind is always the link between a passionate adventure and executive clothing. That image or thought that that woman who looks so serious and formal, in intimacy, is a savage, simply drives them crazy. 3. An expert woman in bed. Although it does not look like it, there are women who, either because of their dress or movements with intention or without it, call the attention of any man, and men tend to look at them because they project the image of being very uninhibited in intimacy. There is no man who doesn't want a woman like that under the sheets, but he does not want his partner to be like that in other areas. It's something like, out of the bed, behave like a lady, but inside it is the craziest of women. 4. Being next to a woman who feels sensual and self-confident. There is nothing more attractive than a girl who knows what she is and does not fear for what others say. When a man has a self-confident woman by his side, the ego of any man grows in the heavens. Therefore, if there is something that is very exciting, is to be with a woman who knows what she wants from life, and especially in intimacy, something that women also often feel. Who has no prejudices with her body and lets herself be touched and kissed in every part of her anatomy. This is something that simply makes men crazy. 5. Have red lips or red dress. It is said that the color red is that of passion, and if what you want is to awaken it in any man, using it is an excellent option. They love to see the beloved woman with red lips or in a dress of this tone. In fact, there are some studies that recommend using it when what is intended is to draw the attention of a male. Learn how to get a man to love you. Click or tap below to download this free ebook.